In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 top shops of the Redbubble and how can you improve your shops and get the best sales and more sales on Redbubble. Hey guys, what's up? This is me Vish. I have been in print on demand business more than a year and I am here making print on demand content just for you guys in order to motivate you and give you guys the right tips and tricks. So guys, keep supporting me in this way. Like, comment, subscribe is also appreciated. So let's get started. The number one shop that we have is Justify, and it is a simple typographic shop, and here you can see he joined in May 2008, maybe when the Redbubble started, and he got 140 designs, and I think it's the time that's getting him more and more sales. Moreover, he got very cool designs and he also got the collections as well. If you watch here you can see the simple fonts anyone can make or anyone can design it, and it's very simple. And here you can see all the cool designs. He's using this technique at using black background and putting white font on the shirts or on the hat. So he's a gem. And here you can see he's just using sarcastic quotes or something like that quotes, and he's just using simple quotes and making a lot of money. And he just got 256.8k favorite, which means he got more than 1 lakh sales, and he's also a featured artist. So guys, here you can see I think he made all these designs once at a time, and now he's getting the cream or getting the benefit of making or working on Redbubble. So here you can see all the designs, and you can also visit his shops, make designs in this way as well. And this is very useful for all of you and for me as well to make such designs, and be patient and you will get successful on Redbubble. The next best shop is Art Cascadia, and he's from United States, 914 Designs. And here you can see I think he just using the tapestries, and here you can also see the collections as well. He just using the simple photography everyone which we are fond of, and we are taking pictures everywhere, and he just put them on the Redbubble and making a lot of money. You can also make such type of designs as well as these photographic or scenic or mountain and river type photograph, and on the snowy mountain photographs works well on tapestries and all the stuff. Here you can see all his designs, and if we get to the bottom, he got 34.6k favorites. Like guys, wow, these guys are awesome. You can guess the idea and guess the thing that what type of designs are selling on Redbubble. The purpose of me showing you these shops or these designs is that you get the idea that which type of designs are selling. So these photographic or scenic beauty designs are also selling well on Redbubble. The number 3rd best shop is Kim Viverut, and he got 100 designs, and he's from Netherlands. And here you can see he's just using are all the natural stuff, just like the tea bag, the book, and all these stuff, and using them the chips and the ghost and all the things just with a smiley face, and using you can also make smiley face just like this, and you just have to put a vector here and just use and you can draw this thing, and it's very cool. And here you can see he's just using and making simple designs, and from just simple designs he's getting more and more sale. And I think he's also a featured artist. If we get to the bottom, yes guys, he's also a featured artist, and here you can see he got 175.1k, more than 1 lakh, and he is near to the 2 lakh favorites, which means she's also getting, sorry for saying he all the time, she is getting more than 1 lakh sales, and she is very impressive in all of her designs, and he's covering all the genre, all the basic items that we have in our household. And this is so basic guys, and you can also make a lot of sales. She is also making collections as well. Here you can see all of them. So guys, you can also make designs related to them, just like the apple, just like the Saturn burger and all the stuff, and you could potentially make a lot of sales. So guys, keep watching them and you could make sales just like them, and you can be an artist just like her. The 4th best shop is Buku, and here you can see the perfect cover photo he's using and the perfect profile picture. Such type of artwork I suggest to you to use in the front of your shop, as impresses the coming customer. And he's from North Macedonia, and he got 451 designs, and here you can see he got also the collection. Basically his all shop shop is related to space, and he's just encoded in two niches. One is the space and the other ones are the pizza or the music and all other stuff. Here you can see the whale and the astronaut riding the whale. Here she or he just using the best use of combining two niches. Here you can see he's making cake and using astronaut, and this is all so awesome, guys. I just can't say anything about them. He's just he or she, whatever he's just rocking, guys, and I really like his shop. And if we get to the bottom, he's also a featured artist, and here got the socials, so you can contact her as well. I don't spam her DM, okay? And he also got 310.5k, more than 3 lakh. And guys, he's also a gem. You can get motivation from such type of guys, and you can also make such type of designs. Basically, these designs are more artistic. If you are an artistic, you can target in such a way using one niche. And I already told that space niche is very common and very popular on the Redbubble and all the print on demand side, so make things related to space niche. The last shop we got is League NE64, and he got 122 designs, 1022 designs. Here you can see, guys, he's just killing it. He's just making design, and he just joined in June 2017, and he's also making collections. And her shop is just perfect. Here you can see she is also using simple text. She's using the cross sign as well, and she is just killing it. Just like this is not very tough to make such type of designs, and it's very easy. So guys, you can make it, and these are just simple fonts. Guys, make the hell out of these designs. Just make such type of design, upload more and more. Here you can see she's more than 122 designs. So guys, she's just killing it. You have to get motivation from such type of shop, and you can also make such type of designs as well, which is simple. And if we get to the bottom, she got 109.2k favorite, so this means she is also getting hundreds of sale and making hundreds of dollars just from Redbubble. So guys, you can make such type of designs and as well, and you can visit her shop as well. And I think this is the best shops I could find for you, and in other episode I will find more such type of shops for you. So guys, you can see all the designs and take motivation from them. So this is it, guys, from my side. If you want to see more such type of best shop series, so go and comment below, and also like and share this video, and subscribe is all very important. So guys, this is it from my side. Keep supporting. Have a nice day. Cheers.